Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add courses and projects to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your skills and experience to potential employers or clients who visit your profile. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password to access your profile. After you've successfully logged in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and some basic information displayed there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you directly to your full LinkedIn profile page, where you can view and edit all your information. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down just a bit until you see a button that says Add Section. This is the key to adding new elements to your profile, whether it's projects, courses, certifications, or other achievements. Click on Add Section to proceed. A menu will pop up with different options for what you can add. From this menu, click on Recommended. LinkedIn groups the most commonly added sections here to make it easier for you to enhance your profile with relevant information. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Projects. Click on it. This opens up a form where you can input all the details about a project you've worked on. Start by entering a project name that clearly describes what the project was about. Then add a description that gives more context about your role, what you accomplished, and the impact of the project. You can also add relevant skills that you used during the project, and if you have any media like images, documents, or links, you can attach those as well to make your project more engaging. If you want to provide even more detail, you can add additional information such as the start date and end date of the project. You can also include contributors if you worked with a team, which helps show your ability to collaborate. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save. Your project is now live on your profile. Now let's move on to adding courses. Click on Add Section again, and then click on Recommended just like before. This time look for the option that says Add Courses and click on it. This section is perfect for showcasing any professional development, certifications, or training you've completed. In the form that appears, input the course name, the institution or organization it's associated with, and any other relevant details. This shows potential employers that you're committed to continuous learning and improving your skills. Once you've entered all the information, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully added both projects and courses to your LinkedIn profile, making it more comprehensive and appealing to anyone who views it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.